Holy! I can't believe it's finally here. It's time to open up the next chapter. Holy!
How does it look, Jeff?
I don't even know what to say yet.
Nice. Slow down. So.
Hey Lenny, you ready? We're gonna feed it to Lenny.
Is it heavy?
No, very light. Stop there and I'll hop down and I'll grab the rest of it without spraining my ankles. Pretty light, eh?
What is this?
Horizontal cable. Watch out, there's wood here.
Yeah.
You have to make sure you're holding it too with me. Better safe than sorry.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh man, we're about to take it off, and we couldn't use a crane, so we're using a flatbed truck, so it's pretty crazy. Holy buddy. But it's all working out. It's all working out. Thanks to Jeff Franchini up there, the engineer, who obviously is here to help out with these great ideas. And of course we've got Doug Wilson and Mike E from Wilson Aviation, and they're our chief and primary maintainers, and he's the director of maintenance kind of thing. So great ideas that they've come up with.
On the ground.
Success.
There you go. You can breathe.
Alright, so now we gotta get this into the hangar. finally got the airplane into the hangar. It's time to unwrap this beauty. Come on, guys. Incredible first day here with the new aircraft. We unboxed it today, and I gotta tell you, a year ago today I looked at the aircraft for the first time online and started to talk about it with Doug and say, hey, what do you think about getting one of these aircraft and bringing them over to Canada, being such a rare airplane and being such a great potential airshow airplane. And here we are, a year to the date. We've got it unboxed. We've got most of the pieces here in the hangar. I gotta tell you, when I opened that door for the first time and looked inside, I wasn't even sure what to think. It was a lot of hard work to get it here, but we have a lot of hard work to go. So I would say for a first day, probably couldn't go any better. I want to say thank you to a bunch of people who helped on that first day. Airshow Addict, Kyle, who was out here, he didn't just film this like he's filming right now. He also was an integral part of our team, helping us unload the aircraft and just with logistics. Geoff Latter, who came up with some interesting ways of getting the aircraft out of the container. And I'd like to thank my wife Lanny, who was here to help during the day. And of course my maintenance team, Doug Wilson and Mike Yee of Wilson Aviation, the primary maintainers of this aircraft and the Nangchang. And I couldn't do it without them. So Doug, thanks a lot for that. I do remember the first time I said to you, I'm thinking about looking at this Yak, and I showed you a picture. And I remember your face, you said, well, if anybody's going to do it, you're going to do it. And here we are a year later. So a great first day here.